Welcome to DS Road Level Software Demo. Using this software, you can easily plot cross-section graphs and automatically the software calculates area, quantity. You can also create longitudinal section. There are many input methods for this software to enter levels. Either you can enter levels directly to this software, or if you have levels in Excel sheet, you can directly import that file to this software. You can also import total station output to this software directly. Now let us see how the software works. First, select work entry. Click add button. Just give a reference work name, number. Then enter work name. Like that, give full name of the work. Next, you need to give proposed layer names. Then 6. Otherwise, you can select the needed number of layers. Then click Save button. Now the basic details about this work is entered. Next step, select work. Click Browse button and select that work. Just click Select button. Next in entries, first step, chain entry. Now the initial level of each cross section taken from site is entered here. If you have this data in Excel sheet, then you can directly import from Excel sheet. You don't have to enter here. You can skip this step. Click the add button. Then enter distance. The first box is kilometer and the next box is in meter. For example, 0 bar 0. This is the first cross section. Now you need to enter values for this first cross section. That's 0 bar 0 cross section. In 0 PLS, the level taken, for example, 1.5 I am giving. Next, left side. You need to give minus for left side. 1.5. That's the left side minus 1.5 distance. Here the level is 1.6. Now left side 3 meter. Level is 1.6. Like that you can give the levels taken. Right side you give positive value. Now click Save button. Next, again click Add button and give next cross section distance. That's 0 bar 10. Then levels for that also entered. Like this, 0 bar 10 cross section is entered and it's saved. And again next cross section 0 bar 20. All its values are entered here. Again it's saved. Now close this form. Next step is to give RL CP. You can see all the levels that you have entered. Now just double click here, this first value. Now in the right side give RL. For example, I am giving 100 as RL. If you have backside, then you can give there. Backside I am giving 0.5. Now click Save button. Now next, if you want change point CP means just double click below the now if you want to give now in the middle, if you want to give change point, then just double click below the point where you want to give that CP. Here I am double clicking here. Now giving FS as 1. If you have BS, then you can give BS is also here. Just click save button. Like this you finish all the work. Now after doing this step, click the create chainage button. Now our cross section is created. You can close this form. Now in entries, go to advanced chain entry. This is where you plot the cross section and give proposal for your cross section. Now click the first button. You can see the initial level there. Just click the refresh button, you can see the graph also. You just click this full button, you can see the full screen of the graph. Now this is the initial level. Now you need to give proposal for that. You can give proposal here in this box. For example, I am giving in 0, 100. In 3, I am giving 99.9. In -3, 99.9. You can check the graph there itself. See, that's the proposal level. You can see the calculation here itself. Next, second proposal. You can give it here. You can also shift this value directly here. Just give an increment here. For example, 0.3 is the increment. Then just click this button. See, the second proposal is created. Like this you give all the proposal that is needed. Then save this. Then next cross section. Now give values for that cross section. 98.5 in -3, 98.4, 3. Like that you give proposal for this. You can see the cutting and filling here itself. Filling is the deduction, then the net area you can see here itself. See the graph. Now the second proposal. Now save this. Then next. Like this you give all the layers. You can also click the full button to see all the layers together. Like this. Proposal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that final levels also you can see here. By clicking this full button. Now another method is to create a proposal using templates. For example, here I click this button. Now I can select a template. Then I can just import that template here. See, now the proposal is created according to that template. Using this method, you can very easily set all the proposal layers. See the report for this in entries area calculation. Just click show button. This is the detailed report of area calculation. If you want to get quantity, means quantity calculation report. Just click show button. This is the quantity calculation report. Now if you want to create longitudinal section, then create LS. Just click create LS button. LS is created. In entries, advanced longitudinal section. Here you can see the LS graph. This is the LS. So this is a very easy method software, and you can use it very easily. You can learn it in 10 minutes. Thank you.